Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this wig by the company Sister Wig, and I have it in a style lace H crimp 34 inches. So this is very long. I got it in the color 1. So even though this is supposed to be an HD lace, the lace looks good. However, you don't get much lace on the side, so it's basically like a lace edge with a parting space. It was $37.99. The wig is, in fact, sold out. They only have it in the color ombre. So you have your regular cap construction. You have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. And for a parting space, it's about 6 inches of parting space. I did not pluck it. The only thing that I did was add my pressed powder to my part and into my hairline. This wig is not big head friendly. That was the thing that hurt my feelings about this unit. But however, in all, this wig is still pretty. It's still bomb. It's super long. And yeah. So I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video. You're going to see me struggling putting this wig on because it's so dang on small. But, you know, we got there. We got it together. Okay. So let me know if you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.
If you ain't moving with the team, then you better move the F back.
Oye, Marciana. Damn, mommy. What was you think?
Guess what? He'll still be alive right now. I ain't guess what. Back in the edit, guess what? Back in the edit, guess what?
With the gang, I was the mom, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my holler, nigga, I mean it. I was famous, and if you I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be singing. Take a bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hold it, bang, 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 bang. What was you thinking? Hold it, bang, 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 hold the mic.
Todd, come on.
A nigga been thinking.
Uh-huh.
Hold the mind, what was you thinking? You with the squad, I give you my holler, nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, you didn't feel me, I'm beeping. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you think in the head. I'm around with that raw.
Then you better move the F back.
Oye, Marciana. Damn, mommy.
What was you think? I was raised in the deep end.
New op pack in the edit, guess what? He'll still be alive right now. I ain't guess what. Back in the edit, guess what? Back in the edit, guess what?
With the gang, I was the mom, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my holler, nigga, I mean it. I was famous, and if you think I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be singing. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hold it, bang, 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 bang. What was you thinking? Hold it, bang, 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 hold the mic.
Todd, come on.
Hold the mic, what was you thinking? That shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. Hold the mom, what was you thinking? You with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, you didn't feel me, come beat me. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be take your bitch and go deep in, but I get the back while you packing the edges, gas. I'm around with that rah-rah, we leave you dead on the
If you ain't moving with the team, then you better move the F back.
Oye, Marciana. Damn, mommy.
what was you think? I was raised in the deep end.
New op pack in the air, this guess what? He'll still be alive right now. I ain't guessing what. Back in the air, this guess what? Back in the air, this guess what?
I was the gang, I was the mob, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. Yeah, if you with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was famous, you didn't feel me, come deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be singing. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. I'm around with that.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hold the bang, 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 bang. What was you thinking? Hold the bang, 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 hold the mic.
Todd, come on.
Hold the mic. What was you thinking? That shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. Hold the mic. What was you thinking? You with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, you didn't feel me, come beat me. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be take your bitch and go deep in, but I get the back while you packing the edges, gas.
Alright you guys, so this is the end of the video and this is how the wig looks in natural lighting. Like I said, it is 34 inches long, so it is super duper long. Comes all the way down to my booty. Alright, and this is the crimp. Sorry the video was cut off so short, but other duties, right? So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box where you can purchase this wig. I don't know if I mentioned this wig is not big head friendly, so it's like you have to struggle with getting this wig on. I advise you to use some type of gel, or if you want to use a glue, use a glue. It is very important. This is for all my long hair lovers who love long hair. I know it is hot, it is the summertime, and some people want to shy away from super duper long hair, but however, this is very lightweight, and yeah, this is a wig that you can wear like for a special occasion, a night out, date night, or whatever. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Leave your comments down below, let me know what you think of this wig, and until next time, loves.